Most people panic the moment Amazon Pay stops working, but here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, nothing is broken. It's usually a small setting, a network issue, or a verification glitch. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is retrying payment again and again without checking the real cause. That's how people end up with duplicate pending transactions or blocked attempts. In this video you'll learn exactly how to fix Amazon Pay not working in 2026, step by step, so your payments go through smoothly again. Let's start with the fastest checks first. If Amazon Pay is not working, your internet connection is the first thing to look at. A weak or unstable network can stop payment verification instantly. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa and try again. Now here's where most people fail. They assume the app is the problem, but they never update it. If your Amazon app is outdated, payment modules can break silently. Go to the Play Store or App Store and update it immediately. Next step, clear temporary glitches. Open your phone settings, go to Amazon App Storage, and clear cache. Don't worry, this won't delete your account or orders. It just refreshes the app's memory. Now here's something important. Amazon Pay depends heavily on bank and card verification. If your payment method is not verified, transactions will fail. Open Amazon Pay, check your linked bank account or card, and make sure it is active and verified with OTP. Let's say Alex is trying to pay his electricity bill. Everything looks fine, but payment keeps failing. In his case, the issue was a blocked transaction from the bank side. So if nothing works, always check your bank app or SMS alerts for restrictions. Now here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes Amazon temporarily blocks high-risk transactions if there are multiple failed attempts. In that case, wait for 10 to 15 minutes before trying again, instead of forcing it. Another common issue is incorrect UPI or expired card details. Re-add your payment method if needed. Remove it first, then add it again fresh. This often fixes hidden sync errors. If Amazon Pay is still not working, log out and log back into your Amazon account. This forces a fresh authentication and fixes session-related bugs. So to quickly summarize, check your internet, update the app, clear cache, verify payment method, and check bank restrictions. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the issue immediately. If this helped you get Amazon Pay working again, like the video, drop a comment with what fixed it for you, and subscribe for more simple fix guides like this.